Hey guys, Dave here from Easy Country Cooking and Cook and Share. You know, it's New Year's, but you can do this any time of year, and we're going to have some parties. And a great idea for a party snack is these cheesy broccoli balls. You're simply going to love them, bake them up, really quick to make and absolutely delicious. So let me show you how to do these. So I'm going to start here, guys, with a medium head of broccoli, and I'm going to boil this up until it becomes kind of fork tender, just a little bit on the soft side. After about 12 or 14 minutes on the boil, I'm simply going to add this to a bowl. And you can always tell broccoli is done because it turns that bright green. Then in with 3/4 of a cup of old sharp cheddar cheese that I've grated up. Of course, you can always use the cheese of your choice. A cup of panko breadcrumbs. You don't have to use panko, you can use the breadcrumbs of your choice. I just like the texture of the panko. Then half a small chopped onion. You want this chopped fairly finely. About half a teaspoon or a teaspoon of the old minced garlic. After that, go ahead and crack in 2 eggs. Season things up with some salt, I'd say about half a teaspoon, And a good teaspoon of one of my all-time favorites, some ground black pepper. Grab up the old spoon or whatever stirring device you have and kind of mix everything together until it's well combined. Then I'm going to grab my ice cream scoop, you can use a spoon too, and scoop up some of that mixture. Place it into the palm of my hand and then just kind of roll it into a ball. And if you want the balls to roll a little more easily, just stick them in the fridge or the freezer for, 15, 20 minutes, half an hour, something like that. Alrighty then, just set our cheese broccoli balls aside on a wire rack. Okay, now they're looking pretty good. I'm going to slip these into a 350 degree Fahrenheit, 180 Celsius preheated oven. And bake them up for about 20 to 25 minutes, just until they're a nice, beautiful golden brown. After about 20 or 25 minutes, just look at these guys. Don't they look peachy keen and super delicious and all that stuff? And of course, serve these up with your favorite dip. You can use ketchup. I'm using a Chipley mayo, a yogurt dip, whatever you like. But guaranteed, my friends, these are a great snack and a great party idea. Your guests, you and your guests, are simply going to love them. And if you do try them, drop us a line, let us know what you think in the comments section. Give us a like as it does help the channel out, and most of all, subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great new year, and see you next time.